Hi there, my name's Freya and I'm a developer at Anything World. This is the third video in our tutorial series, designed to get you up and running with the Anything World package. In this video, I'll be talking a little bit about Behaviours. Behaviours are C# Unity scripts that are designed to work with our Anything World Maker API and animation system. AW Behaviours are designed to make it super easy to apply custom movement and interactions that can be added effortlessly to any of our diverse models you can create using the Runtime or Editor API. With Behaviours, you can define how any type of spawned model interacts with the world, and can apply custom types of animation using only one line of code. Creating new behaviours is as easy as inheriting from our AW Behaviour base class. Here you can see the AW Behaviour controller script, located on the parent game object of the model. This script allows you to easily add and remove behaviour scripts in editor and runtime mode, as well as view behaviour scripts available to add to models. The AW Behaviour controller script adds and removes behaviours from the Behaviours game object in the level below, as seen here. The behaviour script handles the addition and removal of animations to the model, and controls the movement and behaviour of the model transform. So I'm going to show you how to make a custom behaviour for your models in Anything World. I'm going to make it for this crab model here in the corner, and I'm just going to make a behaviour that moves the crab backwards and forwards and uses the animation system built into the Anything World package. So if you open up your script, the first thing you need to do is inherit from the Anything Behaviour class, and this gives you access to the animation system. So you'll need to implement the abstract property for the target animation type. And as you can see here, it's pretty easy to import an animation into behavior. You just need to have the getter and setter, obviously, get rid of these ugly exception warnings, and then just set a string. Now I'm going to use the default string here, which just sets the default animation type for that type of model. There are other types of animation, and usually the default will be actually equal to the walk animation. For vehicles, it's probably the drive animation. And if you have other types of animation for specific types of models, you can also specify that to be used first. So you can have multiple strings in the target animation type property. And it will basically go down the list if it finds the first one, and it will use that type. Otherwise, it will keep going. I'm just going to set these positions here. These are the positions that the crab will move between. And yeah, so now that's done, I'm going to set the speed of movement, and we'll just put a movement function in the update. So you can obviously have any custom update, any functions you want in this script. The only thing that you need to include is that target animation type for the Anything World behaviour to work properly. So now that we've inherited from that, we'll actually be able to find your new behaviour in the AW Behaviour controller. And if we apply it easily, we should be able to see the behaviour working as intended. So you can see that the crab walk animation is currently playing, it's moving backwards and forward. And that can be added using our animation behaviour system. So you can see it's really easy to create custom behaviours for your models. And as soon as you've inherited from that class and set that animation type, you can quickly add it using the behavior system, or during runtime from script using the make AW obj or the add behavior functions. So yeah, next time I'll be showing you a bit more about scripting and how you can manipulate functions and create objects in script using the AW maker functions. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.